Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is Carla, and I am so excited to do a flip through of my new butterfly theme 2-ring spirit journals. Now, many of the elements that I used in these journals come from my new DigiKit called Mariposa. If you'd like to learn more about the kit, I'll put a link in the description box below, and you can see all about it. It's really cool. It's a really versatile DigiKit, but you'll see. Anyway, so back to the journals. As you can see, each one of the journals has a different design. Now, I created this kaleidoscope paper effect using a ton of butterflies, and I really love the way butterfly images, not real butterflies. That's pretty funny. But I really do love the way that it came out. As you know, you can see, and you can see on the back, isn't that pretty? So that's a lighter one. And I did seal these with a matte finish, so to keep it really durable. You see, so this is a different design. All right. Anyway, so let's look at them one at a time, even though on the inside they are pretty much exactly the same. There's a few differences, so we'll just look at one at a time, and then I'll just show you the differences. Okay, so let's start with Beautiful Like a Butterfly. So I'll pull that out of view. So this one, as you can see, it has a medallion, and it's backed by some paper with a foil, so it's still shiny, as you can see. That's great. And the medallion says beautiful like a butterfly, and there's a bow with a ceramic lily right on top, which I thought was lovely. It has black binder rings, and I did show you the back of it as well, so you can see the design right there. Awesome. All right, so let's open up the page. So the inside page has a nameplate on it, and it has an image. Hopefully you can see the image. It's so pretty. It came out so great. Has a butterfly. Oops, sorry, I shook the camera. Has a butterfly with sitting on a milkweed plant. So very pretty right there. All right, so these are some of the pages that are included in the kit. So a spirit journal, although you can use this spirit journal any way you like, I actually designed the spirit journal into weekly spreads. So this would be 1 week spread. And for this week, you can put down in it whatever you would like, what you do in your normal daily spiritual practice. It could be prayers for the day. It could be affirmations, affirmation cards that you've pulled, or tarot cards or oracle cards. It can be anything you do in your spiritual practice that you like to keep track of on a weekly basis. So I usually do things daily here. And then this middle card here, it always gives a nice, for the week, a nice quote. Like this one says, a butterfly always reminds that there is always beauty at the end of all pain. And that's something that you can focus on a meditation or something like that. But I like to use these journaling cards each week to write down my intentions for the week, goals, but you can use it however it works for you in your spiritual practice. But how this is set up is you have enough for 16 weeks. That's 4 months. So each week spread has its own middle card with a quote, a journaling card. And as you can see, all of these papers are included in the DigiKit, the Mariposa DigiKit. This says, butterflies, they are like dream flowers, childhood dreams which have broken loose from their stalks and escaped into the sunshine. And it just goes on with the different various cards and papers and quotes. Okay, so that's what this one is. The butterfly counts not months but moments and has time enough. Failure is like a butterfly before it becomes, Failure is like a caterpillar before it becomes a butterfly. That's awesome. So that's how these are all the way throughout, with wonderful quotes. What the caterpillar calls the end of the world, the master calls a butterfly. I love all these wonderful quotes. I love butterflies. So now at the end of the 16 weeks, as we go through, and you can see with all the different, I love this Maya Angelou quote, "We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty." So true. Anyway, so it goes on and on like that for 16 weeks. At the end of that, now here's a section, has a divider page. Very pretty, yeah? Divider page. And you can put anything you want here. Now you can make this your section where you put your full moon, new moon readings and rituals on it. It can be your manifestations or gratitude journal, whatever you like to make this a separate section of, but you have extra pages for that to do whatever you like. Okay. And then, all right, I'm making a mess. And then at the end of both of the journals, I've included an envelope with a Velcro closure. And inside the envelope, there is a embellished paper clip, so you can see, that you can use as a bookmark. And this one says it's pressed flowers and a 3-leaf clover, and it says laugh. And there is a little glycine bag you can use for anything you like, but inside of it, it holds some sticky labels that you can put in, that you can use in your journal any way you like. Let me get it out. Sorry about that. It's sticking here. Well, that's just not good. Here we go. There you go. Oh, I saw what was sticking. And this one says, so you can put dreams or quotes or intentions, whatever you like, and you can use those. And they go back into this little bag. Letter from me. And a little butterfly. I love this. It's so pretty. Butterfly, little notebook that you can have on the go. And they all fit nicely right back inside the envelope. Okay, so now let's look at the next one. We'll move this one out the way. Whoa. I'll pack that up off camera. Okay. And this one says Still Becoming. It's beautiful. Has the same bow with the lily on it. This one has a little bit different decoration on the binder rings. I thought it still looks very cute. I just was so happy with the way these came out. So pleased. Okay. And again, has the same nameplate on the inside page, same papers, the same spreads. It's all the same throughout. got the index card, the divider. And this one has its own envelope right here. And inside of it has its own, this one says love, pressed flower, embellishment, with some more stickers that you can use in your journal. Of course, a letter from me and another envelope. Another booklet. Isn't that pretty? Shiny. Can you see the shimmer? I love things that shimmer. And another cute little. So, okay, so that's it. I hope that you like this. I will pack all that back up so you can see it. So here they are. I will be putting these in my Etsy shop, and I'll put the link down below. If you're interested, as I say, I make these for one special person. And if either one of these are calling to you, you are that person. So, okay, until next time, happy journaling. Take care.